Buenos dias, everyone. It's my baby's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I'ma love you. Today's Kilo's birthday. He's like 58 or something. I don't really know his actual birthday. Like his gotcha day was right before New Year. Right before New Year in 2012. I know about how old he was when this guy gave him to me. He was like 6 weeks old. Nobody wanted him because he had skin issues and he was like little and scrawny and stuff, so nobody wanted him. They were just gonna toss him out, and I was like, I want him, yeah. Anyway, so he's 8 technically. I've been saying he's 8 all year, but you know, he's 8 now. His birthday was probably somewhere around this time is what I figured, so, or I may have just picked today. I can't remember how I did it. I think I just picked today, actually. But nonetheless, today is my love's birthday. So, I'm on break. I didn't have my camera prepped and ready this morning, so. Oh, and I weighed myself this morning. I weighed 244. Something's happening in the group chat. Dog situation. But anyway, I just wanted to get on here and sing happy birthday to Kilo. I made a big post on Facebook for him. I'll put in like a little slide of his little baby pictures that I had when he was little. I love him so good. Come this way, baby. Come this way. He's trying to get to me and he can't because of all the stuff that I have here. What's mommy baby doing? Mother, her baby. But you can't come that way, baby. You gotta go this way. Come over here. It's mommy's baby. Yeah. Mommy's baby. Mom loves him so much. Mommy's little birthday boy. Mommy's birthday boy. I think you might be a little chilly, baby. Let me put your little hoodie on you. Okay, I'm gonna put his hoodie on him. Just in case him still. Oh God. Knocked your brains out, love. Here. Dear mommy's baby. Oh, aren't you so cute? I love you so much. Why are you so much? Oh. Mommy's baby boo-boo love. Watch your head. I need to get him a helmet. Look how big his hoodie is on him. But it's so comfy. I may try to take it up some because it is so soft. And by the way, Kilo loves clothes, you guys. He has absolutely no problem wearing clothes. I love him. Kiddo's eating one of his birthday treats. Yeah, that one.
Should I do that one and something smelly good?
No, I would just use that one. I'm starving.
Well, your dinner is in there.
Today. What is it?
2 frozen dinners.
Oh, of course it is. This is what we got him, some ice cream, and he's got treats over there. But
they have these at Food City. He loves these, but they're small, but I got them anyway. But I had never seen that they had actual good brands at Food City.
you gonna let him eat all of those today?
No, I'm not.
You're so mean. It's his birthday.
What he's got in his bowl today, because you know he'll get poops.
No, you're giving him a treat. What the fuck did you buy here?
I bought you those. Those are different. I also bought us these.
Are you gonna warm?
This is like cookies and cream ice cream cake bites that are low calorie.
Ooh.
You're welcome. I didn't buy bad things.
Are you gonna warm up my food?
No.
For real though?
For real, for real. Get it out of my butt. She's in my butt, y'all. Get out. What do you mean, what did I buy? I bought you Fiber One treat.
Ooh, I love those.
Brownie. I bought you an energy drink for tomorrow.
Ooh, I love
I
those.
bought that from Malachi's crate. Those are my dinners. I bought this skinny popcorn.
Ooh.
I don't remember what else I bought. I had to go with it.
There's so much shit that we need to put up.
Oh, I bought this for us to try. It's caramelized vanilla honey
Mmm.
with a little bit of cold brew. This is mine. We ain't had this in forever.
Pesto.
So I bought some good. Show them the good brand.
Spice World. Original Italian.
Buy some taco seasoning. This is my drink. And I bought me these because I only had 2 left and I'm gonna try to drink some water. We never tried the chicken taco seasoning though, with the chicken that we make, so I got that.
Okay.
See, I didn't get a whole lot. You thought I went shopping. Well,
No, but there's 50.
it's ice cream and treats with those frozen dinners for 40 bucks.
There's 50 bags over there.
I know.
Did you already eat it, boo?
Or did you get tired?
No, he ate it. Was it good?
I got me full calorie drink.
It's your birthday and you'll cry if you want to.
He's like, now where's the other ones? Where's the other ones? That's up to you. If you really want to give him another one, they're over there.
You know I'm going to.
I know.
I had a video uploading all day and it was on 2%. So I stopped it and started uploading it again and now it's on 11. So video's gonna be late by no fault of my own. I really don't know why the internet's being crappy. I'm trying to take my socks off. But Booby had a good birthday. I got some ice cream. I got 2 treats. His cousin Riley called to sing him happy birthday. And I missed it. Sorry, didn't have my phone in my hand. Or my camera in my hand. I was trying to do homework, but I honestly don't understand what my teacher's wanting. It don't make any sense to me. I mean, I get it, but I don't get it. You know? Heather says I overthink. But when the instructions are unclear, what are you supposed to do?
What are you doing, babe? Making your stupid drink.
I'm gonna shower real quick.
Take your stupid drink in here.
I just got out of the shower and took my pills, gave him his meds, tucked him in. Heather tucked herself in. My glasses stopped up. So, I really haven't done a lot today. I try to work on my homework. Ooh. But I messaged Jason. My head's killing me. I'm gonna have to get me some Excedrin. But anyways, that's all for today, I think. Probably blood from these bumps. I need to go put stuff on now that I'm thinking about it. Anyway, that's all for today. Be sure that you guys like today's video, even though I don't even know what I was in it, but like it anyway. Yay. I'm down to 244 pounds. So, that's something. But anyway, be sure that you like today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what's going on. Just say hey. Whatever. I appreciate it. Be sure that you check the description locks. Be sure that you check the description box for links to all my social media and Heather's social media down below. Also links to my blog and things like that. But anyway, it's Kilo's birthday. Happy birthday to my baby. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Keep living. Bye. Birthday boy is pooped.